Hello everyone, happy Halloween and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel, so make sure you like and subscribe. In today's video, we're actually going to be taking a look at one of my favorite childhood books, The Ghost of the Creepy Castle. So without any further ado, let's take a look at it. Okay, so here's one of my favorite books of all time, especially when I was a child. This is a mini spooky pop-up book. Really, really cute. I always liked it. I always really liked this little ghost right here, and the little skeleton and the cute little bats. And then there's even a headless shadow. But right now, let's go ahead and read the book. So now let's get right into the book. And, ooh, The Ghost of the Creepy Castle. Welcome to the Creepy Castle. We'll begin our tour at the castle gates. Walk carefully on the drawbridge. It's not very sturdy. This was once a great hall. Many people believe this room has secret doors and passageways, but of course no one has ever found them. Long ago, prisoners were kept in this dungeon. Local legend claims the ghosts of the prisoners still roam about the rooms. Watch your step. This cute little door that opens, let's go ahead and open that. We have a Grim Reaper, and what else do we have? It's a skeleton man. The view from the tower is magnificent, don't you agree? But don't get too close to the windows. We wouldn't want to lose anyone. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the creepy castle, and please come back to visit us at any time. And that is the book. So cute. Of course, I really, really did love this one. Now, beware of the ghosts of the creepy castle. They'll cause you to shiver, shake with fright when you open the pages of this mysterious pop-up book. Hauntingly clever pop-ups guide you through the chilling dungeons, spooky towers, and creepy rooms. Enter if you dare. Now down here it says that there are some other series of this book which I would actually really like to get. So I think I will check into that. And that is one of my favorite Halloween books, The Ghosts of the Creepy Castle. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Now, this book is definitely one of my favorites. It's very sentimental to me because I remember being a child and my mom reading this to me all of the time and me playing with the pop-ups. My family has always been really big into holidays, especially my mom. She decorates like crazy for every holiday and any occasion she can. So, this book is just really special to me and I really do love it. It does hold a lot of sentimental value to me. So I really hope you did enjoy it and have a safe and wonderful Halloween. Au revoir.